Okay, I am looking at the conversion ladder again. We just looked at conversion ladder for perimeter. Well, let's have a look in terms of area. Now, area is a two-dimensional measurement. We have, if this was our shape, we have a length and we have a width, and we want to multiply, whoops, I wrote the wrong little bit. We want to multiply the length times the width. We're going to end up with two dimensions. Okay, so let's talk about this conversion ladder and how does it actually help us in terms of two dimensions. Okay, so we will start with a measurement which will be in two dimensions. We'll start with, we'll start with 2 last time, we'll stick with 2 again. So what is 2 kilometres squared to metres squared? And you'll notice that I am showing that I've got 2 dimensions because I've got my squareds on all of my units. So let's have a look. How does this occur? So first thing we need to do is count how many units, or how many lines we jump down on our conversion ladder. So we're going 1, 2, 3 down. Very good. So I'll start with my original number and I will multiply it by 10 to the power of x. X is the number of steps on the ladder. So this will be 3 steps. And I put it to the power of the unit of the dimension that we're using. Because we have squared units, we're in 2 dimensions, we need to have a 2 on the outside. So let's have a look. This will be 2 times. Now to get rid of the brackets, I need to multiply those 2 indices together. And I will end up with 2 times 10 to the power of 6. Now we know that 10 to the power of 6 is just a 1 with 6 zeros. And then I would multiply that out and I would have my final value of 2 million metres squared. Okay, so this is actually a tricky thing to do if you're not using this particular ladder and have an understanding of this part here about having the indexes. But because I have shown you all this and this video will remind you of it, we have an understanding of how to do that. We can also go backwards. So I'm going to rub all this out and I'm going to go backwards. Now, I want to make sure that we can do this successfully. So I'm going to use I'm going to have 30,000 centimetres squared, and I want to know how many metres squared that is. I don't need that bit, I just need the m with a 2. Okay, so once again we will need to clean up these jumps from off of here before, and we will need to look at where we're going from and where we're going to. So here I'm starting at centimetres and I want to go to metres. So centi is here, it is 1, 2 steps up the arrow. So I'm going to use this one, the divide by. So let's write that down. We've got 30,000, well I'm not going to put the units on, I'm going to actually put in our divide by 10 to the power of x, where x is the number of steps, and we know we took 2 steps, so we can just write that in, and it's in 2 dimensions. So let's write that down, 30,000, I'm going to just use this, divided by 10 to the power of 2 times 2, which will be equal to 30,000 divided by 10 to the power of 4. And we know that 10 to the power of 4 is just going to be a 1 with 4 zeros. So 30,000 divided by 1 with 4 zeros. And I can do some cancelling of zeros on the top and the bottom because they're just dividing out. And I get 3 divided by 1, which is 3 metres squared. Don't forget to put the appropriate unit on the end of that. So 30,000 centimetres squared is equal to 3 metres squared. And that is how you use the conversion ladder for 2 dimensions.